Hey, Sean here. In this video, I'll give you a demo of the checklist feature. So when you first join Tykr, either on the web app or the mobile app, and you get through your onboarding, you will arrive on your checklist. You can also go to the menu and get back there to see what steps you need to work on next. But this is in place to help you get focused and increase confidence. So we'll kind of walk through these. So right at the top, you can see the goal is to try to complete it within 14 days or less. That'll really help you get up to speed. And then some insight here, over 90% of customers who complete the checklist are able to confidently buy and sell stocks within 30 days. That's the key. A lot of people want to start buying and selling stocks on their own. The checklist will help you get up to speed as quickly as you like. All right, so kind of walking through the steps here, you can see first off, joining the web app or mobile app, that's actually completed when you first join because, of course, you join on the web app or the mobile app, but we do want to show positive momentum right away. Next up, you can see this one's done too. It's creating your first watch list. In your onboarding, you probably selected a few stocks. Well, that's the creation of your first watch list. And if you'd like, you can create multiple watch lists. And then next up, there's the completion of your educational modules. Those modules are located on the mobile app. Those are inspired by Duolingo, really to help you get up to speed as fast as you'd like. And then this is a big one. Make sure you select what broker you use. If you're interested, you can click a link here that drives you to an article on your site. This is a list of the most popular brokers from around the world that our customers use. Some of the ones on the list include Schwab, DeGiro, eToro, E-Trade Fidelity. You can kind of skim through and see what countries each broker is available in. And then next up, we have the portfolio. Make sure you create your portfolio and start adding stocks to it. That way you can keep track of your returns. And then another item here are alerts. Make sure you set alerts on prices, summary, score, MOS, and more. That allows you to see when changes happen to the stocks in your watch list or your portfolio. So overall, if you can get through the checklist in 14 days or less, you're going to really put yourself in a good spot to start buying and selling stocks with confidence.